Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Adhay for those that do not know my name, and today I am bringing a whole new video, a whole new glam. And as you can see, this is the glam that I created today using glitters, which is something that freaks me out so much. I know, who would have thought a makeup artist freaking out about glitters? Yep, that's me. What do you think about that? It's crazy, right? Glitter is so beautiful, but just around my eyes, it freaks me out. So today I got brave and applied some glitter for this look. If you guys want to see how I, created this look, then I suggest you guys to keep on watching. But wait a moment. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the family. Be part of this humble, tiny family. And now we could go on to the video. So let's begin. As you guys could see, brows, you guys know it. It's done already. No need to worry about brows. Brows are something else. So we're going to begin with our P. Louise base. You guys are going to get to see my bad skin. Yep, look. Oh, do you guys hear the birds chirping? That is a nice, beautiful sign. And today is gonna be a good day. You guys, my skin is so bad. Now I have my base ready to go. I am going to use 3 different palettes because the browns that I wanted to use were not in one single palette, unfortunately. I'm going to start off first with the KKW one. I like using this one right here as my first color. My voice is still not 100%. Sometimes it sounds like it's getting there, but then all of a sudden a gallo comes out. So that is our transition. Now I'm going with a smaller brush. I'm going to go into my Dose of Colors shadow. So I'm going to focus that right on the crease. And I'm going to round it off. Now we have that little transition of a warmy burnt brown, and again round it off. I don't know why, but for me personally, I prefer a rounded off shadow. I don't know, what do you guys like? Now I'm gonna go with a deeper brown. This deeper brown, I'm gonna get it from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, the Volt, and keep it low. Drag it little by little onto the crease so it meets the other color, the previous color. Just like that. Now that we have those 2 colors meshed together, I'm going to go back with that KKW shadow. I'm going to blend. We have our eyes ready to go. So on the center, I want to pop some glitter. I have these glitters right here. Your girl did a little concoction of all these glitters mixed together to create my own shade. I'm going to use my glitter glue and I'm going to pat it without creating a line because I want this to be effortless. After that, I'm going to pop my glitter. Wow, so pretty. And now I'm going to lightly feather it out. You guys, I'm so afraid of glitter. Nothing bad happened to me personally with glitter, but I have heard of crazy stories that are related to glitter, so I'm super afraid of it. No, I respect it. I try to treat it so nicely. Don't do anything to me. I'm not really exactly familiar with every single detail, but I believe after some days or a day, she went to the hospital and she got an infection and all this crazy thing that ended up with her eye taken out. I know. And ever since that story, I'm so scared of glitter. You guys have no idea. I already had like a little incident with my mascara while I was doing my mascara in the car. I don't know if you guys see this little red thing right on my eye. Oh, I was you know, on the passenger seat doing my mascara because that's what I always do, and we hit a little bump and the mascara wand poked my eye and it hurt, obviously, right? But it wasn't until like I go back to my mirror and I start seeing a little bit of blood floating in my eye and I was like freaking out, and that's what came to my mind. I'm like, oh my god, how about if because of my vanity I end up losing a freaking eye? It didn't keep bleeding or it didn't get infected afterwards, thank god. But I did stay with this little mark. I'm going to move forward onto my face. So my Tatcha completely almost gone. Okay, moving to foundation, I'm gonna use NARS and I'm gonna get 2 pumps. 2. Now that we have foundation, I'm going with my concealer. I'm gonna go with a lighter concealer and I'm going to go in the inner corner. I'm gonna use this small little thing and I'm going to use this brush right over here, Lancome stick. Just like that. I'm gonna go with some powder. I'm using my puff. I'm going to do this and press. I like to press wherever I get the most oily, and it would be right over here. Busting a Patrick Star moment. Just kidding. For contour, I'm gonna use oh, you know what I didn't do? My bronzer. I'm gonna go with my bronzer. I was supposed to do that first, but I went ahead and did my contour, so whatever. You guys know what bronzer I'm gonna use. Okay, so just above that contour. I stopped and I'm like, come on, Adhay, you cannot use the e.l.f. blush again. We know you love it, we know you rave about it, but girl, you need to have some other blushes out there. And I'm like, hold on, I just bought one not so long ago, a little duo. This little thing comes like this. It has a blush and a bronzer, so, but the only thing about this is that it's very small, so I don't know how in the world I'm gonna get in there. I'm going to use the same brush. It's Orgasm and Laguna bronzer, so it's one of their popular blushes and popular bronzers. And I'm going to pop it on the cheek. So pretty. This blush has shimmer. It just united everything together. When it comes to my blush, my bronzer, my contour, for the most part, I like using the same brush. I feel it helps on with marrying all these products together. He wants to go outside. Ay voy. I'll be right back because he's not gonna stop until I open. Lashes. For lashes, I'm so undecided on what lashes to put on. I'm in between these two. I don't know which one, but I think this one's more dramatic than this one. Go ahead and pop this baby on and see how it looks. Oh yeah, it is definitely glam. So pretty. They are on the dramatic side, but remember, today we're going full glam, so we need to take out the baddies. I'm gonna fly away. Okay, Scarecrow, you can now fly away because I'm trying to speak and I cannot speak. KKW lip liner. And I'm gonna go with this Anastasia. Let's go with our highlight, and I have been obsessed ever since I tried it on my last video, the Desi. Apply that with a small detailed brush. I like to have control of where this highlight is going to be at. That is intense. So here we have it. This is the end result. I enjoyed creating this look. I was a little scared. I'm still scared of glitter. You guys know I already explained why I'm scared of it, but it is gorgeous. It is totally glam. Lashes, glitter, browns. It's just beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it a ton. It brings a lot of joy to me that you guys like and subscribe to this humble channel. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to all the people watching my videos in general, because that means the world to me. My lash videos are the most popular, but I sometimes feel like if I do another lash video, you guys are probably going to be like overwhelmed with all these lashes. But I do have a lot of new lashes that I want to try out. I just don't know which ones to start off with. So if you could help me out with that and maybe write down any brands that you guys want me or would like for me to try on here, and then if you agree with that comment, make sure you like it so I'm aware that you guys are all in the same boat and we could all be in the same boat. Of course, if you guys liked what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you are well aware of when I upload a video. With that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.